which is applied to make the communication or message effective, influensive, and meaningful. It means uninterrupted. Uninterrupted connection. So connection to the theme you can write here. To the theme. It means the use of jargon, words, and informal contents must be sent on a long holiday. It means continuity. Whatever just you concerned regarding topic, regarding your central theme, you must set up the continued process so that the reader, the receiver may get properly each and everything, whatever that is delivered by you as a speaker or sender. And next and last is no. So jargon means here you can say that is properly known as informal words. Informal, it means that is quite peculiar. That is very a special word. That is not commonly used in our everyday conversation or in everyday communication. So that is informal words. Some example I will mention later. It means not, that is, you can say jargon words are not familiar. You can, I am writing here, not familiar in common communication. Common communication. So continuity is a link, you can say. This is a kind of link. Link from one thing to another. So this is a kind of connector, you can say. So continuity must be applied, and there you should keep this thing that informal words should not be used or written. It means use simple words, frame common sentences, because simplicity is the best. You must remind this. If you follow, then you will get it. It has been properly said that complexity just leads to confusion and frustration. To avoid this. And now, related to this, it means jargon words. I would like to put, that's all.
No, sir.
Put some, I need to say two only examples I will give you. So first, just you can see, for example, one word I am going to write down and see carefully. This word is couch potato. Couch potato. If you see this word, generally people think about different sense and different meaning and just follow the basic meaning regarding this word. But students, the meaning and definition is quite different there. It means it is quite uncommon in the sense this is different. Just I will make you understood explaining. Suppose couch potato, who is called? A person who is lazy and inactive. Lazy and inactive. Such a type of person is known as, or you may say, couch potato. Nowadays, he has become couch potato. My friend nowadays has become couch potato. So such a type of words cannot be used in message or communication. And next is nothing I'm going to put here. That is tomboy. Especially this word is used in the humor sense. It means a male lover who is much younger than his partner. So students, here this line invites no explanation at all. You are getting each and everything. So I would like to stop here. If any queries in your mind rise, then you can ask.
Sir, some Shresh Barwan asking what is jargon, please.
Jargon, yes, definitely. Yes, I'm going to explain it. A student jargon what means that is not very familiar for everyone. This is or these are very special words which produce the special meaning and different sense from basic whatever we know. So such a type of jargon words just I am going to write down. Already I mentioned and taught also. Then first that this has been also given an example like house potato. House potato. In general sense, this is couch means what? Just like a form or structure of bread and potato means salad. But this sense is absolutely wrong. This description is totally bogus. It means couch potato means a person who invests his time for watching movie or television, you can say television ever. It means always. So this is the correct description, and this is a brilliant example of jargon words. So student, I think you got it properly.
Any more doubt? If anybody is having any doubt, you can ask. No doubt, sir. So the class is over here.